Hi guys, welcome back to Fun Chow. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite recipes, but I'm going to make a low carb version of it. Taco salad. But there won't be any chips. And guess what? You won't miss them either. It's very simple to make. All you need is some ground beef, onions, garlic, and taco seasoning of your choice. You can make your own. Really just has cumin, chili pepper, onion powder. You can look up a recipe, but it's very, very simple to make. One thing I do want to mention is that when you're cooking, make sure you're buying good quality protein. Today I'm using ground beef from Butcher Box. I signed up with them about 4 years ago now. It's a great company. You can pick what meats you want. They're farmed on real farms. It's ethically produced and really so much healthier for you. You can find the link below and you get $30 off your first box if you sign up. We learned about 15 years ago about the quality of our meats in this country, and it's pretty scary. You might want to check out Food Inc. because it's a real eye-opener. It's a little dated probably, but boy, did it change what we eat in this house. So let's get started making our taco salad. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put a little oil in the pan. Turn on the heat. And we'll start with the onions. Just get those cooking. Just give those a stir as they start to sizzle. Just going to cook these for a couple minutes. We'll throw the garlic in. You just don't want to burn the garlic or the onions. And they'll continue to cook with the beef, so we'll go ahead and put the beef in now. So this is 100% grass-fed and finished beef, like I said, from Butcher Box. It's about 80-20, I think, is the ratio, 80% lean. So we're just going to brown the beef, and then we'll add the taco seasoning in once it gets more browned. Since there's fat in this beef, it's going to add just the right amount of liquid. Otherwise, if you're using really lean beef, you might want to add just a splash of water. But I prefer cooking with beef that has a little fat in it. All right, our meat is nicely brown. Now it's time to throw in our taco seasoning. Let's give that a stir. I like eating ground beef because it's a good source of protein, amino acids. There's really all kinds of good stuff in it, if you get good beef, that is. But it helps in eating low carb. And also we do intermittent fasting here, which means that we kind of skip a meal. So we eat dinner about 5 o'clock at night, and then our next meal isn't until about noon the next day. And that combination of intermittent fasting with low carb is really the only thing that I've seen results with. And not only that, I feel good. And having a little bit higher of fat in your proteins or, you know, eating avocados. It helps keep you full and you don't feel hungry. Sometimes we go till 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we were like, oh, we haven't eaten yet. Okay, our beef is done. So the meat is all cooked. That was super easy. And now all we do is put our favorite ingredients in the bowl and eat it. I like romaine lettuce. You can use iceberg. I think even shredded cabbage would work well. But I start by putting the lettuce in the bottom. And this is kind of why you don't really miss the chips, because this provides the crunch and it's just delicious. Then I put a little meat on top. I like to put the cheese on the meat because it kind of melts into it as it sits here. So I put a little now and a little on top. And then we're going to add some tomatoes. I like a little avocado. So you can see what a hearty meal this is. And like I said, you're not even gonna miss your taco. And then we put a little sour cream on top with a little more cheese. And if you like spice, you can add a little salsa. And there you have it. You have a delicious low-carb taco salad that you're just gonna love. Let's go in for a bite, shall we? Oh man, that is just packed with flavor. The taco meat just makes this dish. It is so good. You are really gonna love this. And the lettuce is crispy. And I'm telling you, you're not gonna miss the taco. Oh, well, I am going to dive into this now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click and subscribe. And thank you for your support. We really appreciate it. Ciao.